Hi, I'm Tom the Tester. I work for L.L.Bean in the Research and Testing Department. We've done extended laundering on multiple samples to prove you can wash our school book packs with no signs of wear and tear. As you know, they're built rugged and tough, but they are also machine washable. Now we're going to go step by step on how to wash your backpack. This is a deluxe model backpack. We've also tested our other school backpacks as well. We've done 10 home launderings. This is going to simulate 1 month per year of a school year with 2 months off in the summer. We're using a top load washer, but you can also use a front load washer, but we recommend no commercial laundering. So we're going to start by unzipping every single pocket. And there are a lot of pockets. So once we unzip the pockets, we're going to insert the bag into the washable mesh bag. We're going to zip that closed as well. That way we don't have to worry about any of the straps, buckles, or zipper pulls getting caught. And then you're going to set your washer for machine wash cold, normal cycle with a standard detergent. If you're doing 2 book packs, add 1 to each side to balance the load. If you're only doing 1 book pack, put t-shirts on one side, that way it evens out the load. We're going to unzip the mesh bags, take our backpacks out and hang them upside down. This way we make sure all the water drips out of them. By ensuring this method, we know our backpacks are completely dry, and you can do this process over and over and keeping your backpacks nice and clean.